morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, do you remember what we have done in our last session? We have finished with our fourth chapter and the last grammar topic, paragraph writing. Again, we'll revise that, and today we'll start with our new chapter, the robber crow. First, let us revise with the paragraph writing. Let's start. I have already explained you about paragraph writing. Again, we'll revise this worksheet. Let us learn how to write a paragraph. A paragraph has many sentences about a single topic. There is a main idea, detail about that idea, and a wrap-up sentence. Now read this paragraph. Insects are tiny animals. They are everywhere. Some of my favorite insects are butterfly and bees. Insects can be both useful and harmful. Some insects help us by eating harmful insects and helping plants grow. Insects harm us because they can spread disease, and some can bite us to make us sick. Houseflies and mosquitoes are harmful insects. Again, we'll revise this question. Complete this paragraph about bees. Use the information in the help box to complete it. Bees are insects. They help plants grow. They take pollen from one flower to another. Bees live in beehives on tree with one queen bee and many worker bees. Queen bee lay eggs, worker bee make honey and build the beehive. Get the question. Shall we revise? Let's start. Now again we'll revise this worksheet 4.6. Complete this paragraph about bees. Use the information in the help box to complete it. Bees are small dash that are very useful insects. They help dash plants grow. They take dash from dash to dash. They take pollen from one flower to another. Bees live in dash beehives. Thousands of bees live together in one beehive. Each beehive has a dash who lays dash, one queen bee who lays eggs. The rest of them dash and dash the dash. The rest of them make honey and build the beehive. So kids, I hope now you are clear with paragraph writing. We have finished with lesson number 4, the petting zoo. Now we'll start with our new chapter, the robber crow. First we'll read the chapter, then we'll see the keywords, word buddy, and then checkpoint. Let's start. Said we are going to start with the new chapter, the robber crow. We'll start with I connect. The word clever describes a person or animals that can quickly understand and learn new things. What are the other words that come to your mind when you hear the word clever? Write them here. The synonyms of clever like intelligent, smart, gifted, capable, etc. You can write in these boxes. Read this story about a girl and a helpful crow. The school bus honked. Suchi was still at the breakfast table. The bus honked again. Suchi grabbed her school bag and ran out with a small portion of her toast in her hand. Bye, Mama, she yelled. She was just about to board the bus when a crow swept down and snatched the piece of bread from her hand. Suchi was shocked. In the evening, Suchi told her mother about the robber crow. The crow is a born robber. I hate it, she said. Crows do not rob. This one thought you were giving it food, her mother said. Next time, finish your food at the table. Just then, Suchi's baby sister, Ruchi, cried loudly. She is hungry, said mother and brought a bowl of rice to feed her. But Ruchi turned away from the bowl and cried even more loudly. Suchi wanted to help her mother feed Ruchi. She thought of the crow. Mama, let's give the crow some rice. Ruchi will see it eat. Then she will also eat. Then ran out and cried, Cow! Cow! The crow flew down. Mother placed a small portion of rice on the balcony. The crow ate it. Ruchi clapped her hands. She then opened her mouth and mother put some rice in her mouth. She ate it up. Together, the crow and Ruchi soon finished the food. Suchi was happy. The robber crow has turned into a helpful crow, she said. Will you come again tomorrow? She asked the crow. The crow said, Cow, cow, and flew away. Listen to the word buddy, then we'll solve the checkpoint. Listen it very carefully.
Board. Get on. Climb. Robber. A person who steals. Portion. Part of something.
Read the chapter The Robber Crow. We have listened to the word buddy. Again we'll revise the word buddy, but first we'll start with keywords. First, honked. 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 Second, grabbed. Grabbed. Third, portion. Portion. Fourth, board. 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 Fifth, yelled. Yelled. Sixth, snatched. Snatched. Seventh, robber. Robber. Eighth, turned. Turned. Ninth, clapped. Clapped. 10th, finished. Finished. We have already listened to the word buddy. Again we'll see first board. Get on, climb means चढ़ना. Robber, a person who steals. जो चोरी करता है. Portion, part of something. मतलब कोई हिस्सा. Solve the checkpoint. Just look at the questions. For the answers I have prepared the PPT. Shall we start? Let's start. I have seen the question of checkpoint. Now we'll discuss this. Why did Suchi carry her bread in her hand? Suchi carried her bread in her hand because school bus was waiting for her. What advice did Suchi's mother give her? Suchi's mother said, finish your food at the table only. What did mother bring to feed Ruchi? Suchi's mother brought a bowl of rice to feed Ruchi. What suggestion did Suchi give her mother? Suchi suggested that if they give a bowl of rice to Crow, Ruchi will see and eat. So kids, I hope you are a little bit clear about the chapter. Please keep the habit of reading. Read again and again. You can practice it from your previous chapter. I'll end my session here. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at home.